welcome back to the channel. We are back again at the Virgin Hotel here in Las Vegas. We were here 2 years ago, so we're looking forward to see what's different here at the Virgin Hotel, try new restaurants. When we came in today, unfortunately, it was early, so our room wasn't ready. We went to Cassie Beach, which is one of the restaurants here at the Virgin Hotel, and we went for brunch. It was beautiful. We were outside in the patio. The brunch is open Monday to Friday from 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. and on the weekends, Saturdays and Sundays from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. Our food was just delicious. So we started with a non-alcoholic passion fruit limeade. It was very refreshing. A crimson colada, which is kind of like a twist on a pina colada, but they add passion fruit to it, making it super refreshing as well. For our food, we had a margarita pizza, which was very flavorful. The crust was super thin, yet very crispy. It was just absolutely delicious. We also had an avocado toast, very flavorful, very citrusy. So the combination of all the ingredients, very bright. And to end, we had the ricotta pancakes, and they were just absolutely delicious. If you're ever here in Las Vegas, come here. Even if you're not staying at the Virgin Hotel, just come here for the pancakes. Trust me, you will not be disappointed. So the ricotta is blended with the pancake batter, then it's topped with salted caramel, with mascarpone, brulee banana, maple syrup. Again, just absolutely delicious. We are officially in our room. If you ever thought about staying at the Virgin Hotel, make sure you keep on watching. We're going to continue the video with the official room tour. Today we're staying in the King Standard room here at the Virgin Hotel, and this is their basic room, and it's beautiful. One of the coolest things is that have this door that actually separates this entry area from the rest of the room. This room is beautiful, and even though it's a standard room, it feels massive. There is this sofa here, there is a table, which is something that you don't see very often in hotels here in Las Vegas or any other hotel. There is even a charging station down here, so this entire area is just perfect. Alright guys, we relaxed here in the room for a little bit. Now we're getting ready to check out the pool area here at the Virgin Hotel.
Y empieza el flow, esta es la nueva era, pero baila todo. Baila una de Maluma y Tego Calderón. La nena está bien puesta pa' cualquier canción, no tabaco y ron. Y empieza el flow, esta es la nueva era, pero baila todo. Baila una de Maluma y Tego Calderón. La nena está bien puesta pa' cualquier canción, no tabaco y ron, ron, ron.
Alright guys, so we're back in the room from the pool. We had a lot of fun. It was actually very relaxing. We were there for a few hours. Didn't even realize it. So the pool complex here at the Virgin Hotel is actually 4 different pools. I believe today we were in the main one. And the pool complex is family friendly. You can order food and drinks to your chair from your phone, or if you decide to rent a cabana, they can also bring drinks and food there. The cabanas are Sunday through Friday, $100, and then on Saturday is $250. And there is no food minimum required, so this is more of a rental fee. So you pay that and it is yours to enjoy. And they're super nice. There is seating area, there's a mini fridge, TV, and there's also a safe. So this rental and no minimum requirement is something that I've never seen in Las Vegas. It's a really nice deal to have here at the Virgin Hotel. There is different areas to host events, and there's also multiple relaxation areas. So the pool complex here at the Virgin Hotel is really, really nice. We're back in the room from breakfast. We went to the Kitchens and Commons Club, and of course, I had the French toast. It is a dulce de leche French toast. It was just absolutely delicious, so it's highly recommended. And this is the point in the video where I give you a full summary of my stay. And let's start with the room, which was super clean, bright, modern decoration, very spacious with the setup, with the sofa. It just makes it really, really nice. And for being a standard room, you really have a lot of space. Lots of charging ports throughout the room, and I do offer dog-friendly options here. At the restaurants, you have a little bit for everybody. Special occasion sit-down restaurants like Nobu, One Steakhouse, to kind of more vibrant atmosphere like Cassie Beach, to casual and budget-friendly options like Dunkin' Donuts and Pizza Forte. There is in-room dining and kitchen at Commons Club. It is open 24 hours. As far as bars, there are 4 here on property. You have the bar at Commons Club, which is located by the lobby area, the Shack Room, which is also in that area. Then you have Desert Start, which is on the casino floor, and then also Heat Bar. Pool area, lots of space. 4 different options as far as pool, family friendly. The cabana option for the rental, $100 during the weekdays and $250 on weekends. Just an excellent option because you only have to pay for the rental fee and there is no food minimum that you have to spend. Casino floor, very spacious. It expands throughout the entire property and there are 3 different towers here. There is entertainment, there is a spa, fitness center, and there is also a juice bar near the fitness center if you want to have a more healthier option. As far as location, the Virgin Hotel is located off the strip. So if you want to go to the strip, you have to take an Uber, a couple of minutes, not too far. So this hotel is highly recommended based on my experience. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and I will see you very soon. One of the cool things about this room, they have this door separating the
foyer.
Even though it's a standard room, you feel a lot of space in this room. You have this sofa. ¿Qué dije? We are now in the